Hey team, back to chapter 2. We're going to go through questions 4 and then 6. 5, 7, 8, 9 are conceptual questions. I do provide some page numbers for you, but let's jump right into question 4. I imported the data for you. It's not something that was provided through the book or online. This is something that you could probably eyeball to figure out the answer to the question. You're being asked what is the most profitable of the items on the menu. You have two ways to figure that out, the number sold and the cost. The easiest way to do that is to compute a variable. And you probably will need to get very familiar with how to compute variables because it's something you're going to do quite frequently as we move on. So you just go to transform, compute variable. You give your variable a name, max money. There can't be spaces, so you have to take that out. And then you give it an expression. Sometimes it's an actual formula. Sometimes it is the information that you already have. In this case, we already have it. So it's number sold times the cost. Hit OK. It's going to create a new variable for you. If you look at the data, you can clearly see which is the most profitable of the items sold. So let's go right into question 6. We're just going to minimize this. Minimize the output. And this is the Chapter 2 practice question 6. There are two teams. They want to know which one has the higher batting average. So that's just an average, a mean. So you go to Analyze, Descriptives, Frequencies. The teams are selected. The only statistic you need is the mean. Hit Continue. You might want to unclick this because it gives you a bunch of stuff you don't need. Hit OK. And if you check your output, you will find the answer right there. And you can clearly see which of the two teams has the larger mean. Now to the next set.